Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to integrate custom forms in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure that you have a branding of your own. Head over to the settings, and then from in there, scroll down until you can see the option for brand. So make sure that you upload your branding, like for example, the logo, square logo, additional like slogans, logos right here, as well as the colors that you're using on your brand. So make sure that these are all compatible. Next thing you need to do is you need to head over to your pages. So for example, for in here under the pages, click on this add page. And in here, we need to add a page wherein we want to add a specific custom form. So for example, let's put in here, put your design here. So let's put that right here. So you can name it however you want. Make sure the visibility is turned on and then click on save right here. Once you have saved on that, let's head back and then let's go to the navigation. And then in here, let's head over to the main menu. And we have in here 3 menus, right? So click on this add menu item. And then let's search in here for the put your image or put your design. So let's choose that page right here. And then the name will be the same. Click on the add right here. Click on save right here. And it will be added. Now let's head back and then try to customize what it will look like. Let's head over in here on the customize button, and then from in here, this will load your Shopify editor. Now what we can do is we click on this home page right here, click on the pages, and then in here, click on the default page that we have. So it actually applies on our about us, or you can also change the preview of your put your design here. So this is what it will look like right now. As you can see, it's really empty. So what we can do is we can click on this add section right here. And in here, you should be able to see some form collection, like for example, contact form right here. So you can add your contact form and you can edit how it want to be, like for example, put design. But as you can see right here, it will only ask for the name, email, phone number, and comment. But if you want the form to upload a specific picture, then what you can do is just first save this progress and then head back to your Shopify dashboard. And then you can also head back in here. And once you're done right there, just open a new tab and search in here for apps at shopify.com. Now this will direct you to the Shopify App Store. Now search in here for forms. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some applications that you can install. So for me, I'll install this P5 form builder, but you can also choose this for contact form. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And then after that, click on the install option and it will open a new page wherein it will ask me for access in order to successfully install this application. So what you can do is you can head over and click on the install button right here and just wait for that to install. So it is now done installing and this is what it looks like. So for example, for this, you just need to look for the actual thing, like create a new form from a template. So for example, you can choose some templates that they have right here. Totally depends on you or what you want to add. So for example, let's choose in here an order form. And you can see in here the order form or some pages that they have. So for this one, let me just choose this custom order form. And then in here, as you can see, we should be able to add this form name right here. You can also just choose the ones that you want. Alternatively, you can click on this new form right here and then just choose the ones that you want for this one. So once you have clicked on that, you can just head over and click on this Go Design. Once you have done that, this will create the form right here. And as you can see, you have the inputs as well as the fields that you have. So for example, for this field, like for example, you want to remove this best time to call, you can click on that one, click on this X icon and it will be removed. So you can just choose the ones that you want. As you can see, this one doesn't upload file, so you can just customize it however you wish. And once you have done that, click on the save option right here. Now in that way, the people will be able to upload their design from in here. Now once you have done that, you can head over and edit out the pop-up and bubble as well as multi-step that they have right here. Now let's head over on the settings and you can actually edit out the settings that we have right here. It will email out to my account. Now head over to the publish button, and then what we can do next is we need to select the pages wherein we want to actually install this. So for me, I'll install this and put your design here, which we have created earlier. And let's put it at the top. And then in here, click on this install to page right here. And as you can see, it has been installing. So as you can see right now, this is what the link for that will look like. So right now, let's head over to our Shopify and let's see what it will look like on our actual page. So right now, let's click on this home page that we have right here. Click on the pages, click on the bulk page, and then from in here, change the preview to the actual page that we have, which is the put your design here. And let's see what it will look like from in there. As you can see, this is our actual page that we have created earlier. So we can remove that if you don't want it anymore. And now we have the form, which is this one that we have created from P5. So you can head over and then just use this however you please, and then click on the save option and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.